Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, memory cover, optical drive, hard disk drive cover, hard disk drive assembly, keyboard, and top cover. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker and fan cables for later replacement. On the bottom of the notebook, disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Tilt the notebook forward. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the fan to the base enclosure. Lift the fan out of the cradle and guide the fan cable out from in between the system board and base enclosure. Replacement. Guide the fan cable in between the system board and base enclosure and place the fan into the cradle. Replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the fan to the base enclosure. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel between the fan and system board. Important: ensure the mylar shielding is free from in between the fan and heatsink. Tilt the notebook backward. Connect the fan cable into its connector on the system board.